Let's start simple. Machine learning is not magic and it's not just for maths geniuses. It's one simple idea. We make a computer smart enough to make a decision on its own. You've already used it for years. When your phone groups all photos of the same face, that's machine learning. When Gmail moves spam out of your inbox, machine learning. A Tesla driving itself, a camera that alarms when it sees a person, Netflix guessing your next movie. All the same idea. So what is really happening? Here is the actual definition, and it has just three parts. There's a task, the thing we want done. There's experience, the examples it learns from. And there's performance, how we score whether it did well. Use experience to get better at a task until performance is high.
Okay, but how does a computer actually learn from experience?
Same way you do. Think about making tea for the very first time. First try, you forget to light the stove. No tea, you check what went wrong and you fix it. Next try, the stove is on, but you forget the tea leaves. You fix that too. Each attempt, your mistakes go down and the result gets better until one day, perfect tea. The computer learns exactly like this. Try, measure the error, adjust, repeat. As experience goes up, error comes down. That's the whole thing. A machine learning program just learns from feedback, finishes a task, and drives its error towards zero. Now, to build this, you lean on 5 simple tools. Don't worry about them yet, just meet them. 1. Linear algebra, basically working with grids of numbers. 2. Calculus, the methods of change, how to make an error smaller. 3. Probability, handling how likely something is. 4. Statistics, averages, spread, and error. And 5. Programming, to actually run it all on a computer.
Wait, why do we suddenly need all this maths? Where does it even come in?
Great question, and here's my honest answer. Have patience, I'm not going to throw formulas at you. As we build a real example, step by step, you'll see exactly where each one shows up, and it'll feel obvious. Learn the idea first, and the maths clicks into place later. So, quick recap. Machine learning means making a computer smart by letting it learn from experience. 3 pieces: task, experience, performance. It learns like making tea. Try, check, fix, repeat. And 5 simple tools sit underneath it. Next part. The 3 kinds of problems machine learning actually solves. Once you can spot which of the 3 you're looking at, half the confusion disappears. See you there.